Fable Maine finally came out with a product that I had wanted for so long. This is the new Mahamane Smooth and Shine Hair Oil. I am so excited to try this, but before I try it with heating tools or how it straightens my hair, I like to see what it does to my natural mane. So let's put some on. The instructions say to apply a small amount on towel dried hair from mid-length to the end. I'm gonna let my hair air dry and not use any heating tools, so I'm just trying to hype up my little waves. My hair already feels so soft, but I will report back. Now this is a wild but tamed Mahamane. Okay, not to be dramatic, but I am obsessed. There's no other words to describe this. My hair is shiny, my hair is soft, and I don't know if you guys know this about me, but my hair is my best accessory and what I love the most about myself. There's no need to style this. This is perfection right here. Fable and Maine, you did it again.